Hey everyone and welcome. Today we are diving into the world of data visualization with WordPress with an awesome chart builder plugin. In this video, we are going to learn how to transform boring numbers into stunning charts that will impress your website visitors. First thing first, let's get Ice Chart Builder ready to rock. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and click Add New. In the search bar, type Chartify and hit Enter. After searching, install and activate the plugin. Now the fun part. To create a new chart, go to Chart Builder in your dashboard sidebar. Click Add New. Choose the chart type that best tells your story. Line charts for trends, bar charts for comparisons, pie charts for proportions. The options are endless. I'm just gonna go with the pie chart. In the title part, you can put the name of your pie chart. On your right side of the screen, you can see the source panel. Here is where your numbers come to life. You can import your data from a CSV file, Google Sheets, or even type it in directly. Then you can select Preview to see your data in the chart. In the Settings panel, you can find General Settings, which contains the chart status, description, the author of the chart, if you want our WordPress post to show the title, the description, or even if to make it interactive or not. And then comes the tooltip settings that control how tooltips appear when users hover over data points or even proportions. You can choose the color, the font size. Then comes the legend settings, from which you can change the position of the legend, the font, again the alignment. After you finish about settings, now it's time to make your chart visually stunning. Click the Styles tab, where you can navigate to Chart, and here you can see the chart settings, which you can change the dimensions, the position, the background color, the font settings, and etc. In the chart area part, you can change the margins of your chart based on your preferences. And of course the title settings, about the font, the size, the position, and also the description. Once you're happy with your chart, it's time to share it with the world. Press Save and Close. There are two ways to embed your chart in a WordPress post. Click on the shortcut to copy and head over to the WordPress post where you want to embed the chart. In my case, I will add a new post where I will put the shortcode. You can directly paste and it will automatically detect as a shortcode. After you entered your shortcode, press Publish. The other way is to select the plus icon here and then write Chart Builder, from which you can select your chart that you just created and then again press Publish. And as you can see, our chart is added on our WordPress post. And that's it folks. With Ice Chart Builder, you can easily create and embed eye-catching charts in your WordPress website. Remember, practice makes perfect, so experiment and have fun with data visualization. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification icon for more WordPress tips and tricks. Good luck!